So much to learn about, it'll make you wanna shout, Blippi!
Hey, it's me, Blippi, and I would love to draw something with you. How about a computer? Yeah, a computer is a machine that you can work on. Whoa! Sending emails, or maybe you could even edit and make a video. Awesome! All right, to draw a computer, I'm gonna grab my black marker and draw a rectangle up here. Whoa, look at that rectangle. And then I'm gonna draw a rectangle inside the rectangle for the screen. Whoa, check that out. And then I'm gonna draw a really wide base rectangle. Wait a second, that looks like a trapezoid. Whoa, let's draw some lines like this. Whoa, and then some horizontal lines. Yeah, now that looks like the keyboard. Whoa, computers are awesome. And maybe on the screen, you're watching a video of a heart. Wow, cool. Wow, I love drawing, and if you want to draw more with me, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Ready? B-L-I-P-P-I. Blippi. See you again. Bye-bye. Hey, it's me, Blippi. Do you want to draw a spider with me? Yeah! I like spiders. They are so cool how they can spin webs. Wow, isn't that unique? I know! All right, to draw a spider, I'm gonna grab this black marker and draw a circle. All right, just like that. And then, since they have 8 legs, let's draw 8 curved lines like that. There we go. And then 4 on this side to make the 8. 4 plus 4 is 8. And then let's draw a circle right here for an eye, circle right there for an eye, and then a smiley face. But this isn't just a normal spider, this is a black widow. Let's draw the hourglass over there. Yeah, pretty cool. Yeah, black widows have this red hourglass on the body. Yeah, you don't want to get close to those. Pretty cool. Well, I love drawing, and if you want to keep drawing with me, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Yeah, ready? B-L-I-P-P-I. Blippi. All right, see you again. Bye-bye. Hey, it's me, Blippi. Do you know what machine I was acting like? Yeah, an excavator, and today you and I are gonna draw an excavator. All right, let's take the black and the orange marker and let's draw some shapes. First, let's draw a very long rectangle. Whoa, just like that. And then let's draw a square on top of that one, and a square inside the square for the window. That's where the operator sits. All right, and then a very long rectangle like this. Yeah, and a circle right here. Another rectangle right there. Yeah, and now we need to draw the bucket. Some teeth. Whoa, cool! Now we have the arm, the boom, and the bucket. And now we need to draw a very long oval with some small circles on the inside, just like that. Whoa, that was so much fun. And I love excavators. And if you love drawing with me and want to draw some more, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Ready? B-L-I-P-P-I. Blippi. All right, see you again. Bye-bye. Hey, it's me, Blippi. Have you ever been outside when it's raining? Yeah, what do you hold in your hand? Yeah, an umbrella, so then you don't get all wet. Why don't we draw an umbrella together? First, we have to draw a big half circle. Whoa, and then 3 smaller half circles the other way. There we go. And then we need to draw a letter J. Yeah, just like that, for the handle. Doesn't that look like the letter J? I know. And then if we draw lines like this, yeah, it has little sections that we can color it in and make a very colorful umbrella. So let's add some red right there. Whoa, let's add some green. Whoa, there we go. And let's add some blue. Whoa, now that's a colorful umbrella. Whoa, if you want to draw more with me, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Yeah, B-L-I-P-P-I, Blippi. All right, see you again. Bye-bye. I was just acting like a T-Rex. Hey, it's me, Blippi. I'm not a T-Rex, but I think you and I should draw a T-Rex together. Whoa! T-Rexes are so cool. They lived such a long time ago, and they're so fierce. All right, to draw a T-Rex, I'm gonna take this purple marker and draw the start of a rectangle, but I'm not gonna complete it. Then I'm gonna draw the start of a triangle. There we go. And I won't complete that either. And that's the tail and that's the head. Then we need to draw the leg and the foot with some curved lines. There we go. Whoa! Then connect that. And now we need 2 little arms. So cute. One right there and one right there. Oh, that's okay. There we go. And 2 claws on each arm. Now let's draw a circle for the eye and a smiley face. And let's draw some spikes down its back. Whoa! If you want to draw more with me, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Ready? B-L-I-P-P-I, Blippi. All right, see you again. Bye-bye. Hey, it's me, Blippi. And you know what we're drawing today? Yeah, a bulldozer. Yeah, I love bulldozers. They're so big and heavy, and they push with that front blade anything and everything out of its way. All right, let's use the color orange. A lot of pieces of construction vehicles, yeah, are the color orange. All right, so let's draw a line right here, a 90-degree angle. Whoa, and then another line, and down. Whoa, what does that look like? Yeah, looks like a backwards L. This is where the engine is, and that's where the operator sits. You need to give them a square for a window so then they can see. And then, does a bulldozer have wheels and tires or tracks? Yeah, tracks. So let's draw a very, very big oval. Wow, there we go. Yeah, and then we need to draw the blade. Whoa, kind of looks like a moon, doesn't it? And then we need to connect that just like that. And now that looks like a bulldozer, but you can't forget about the ripper. Whoa, cool. Well, if you love drawing with me and you want to draw some more, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Ready? B-L-I-P-P-I, Blippi. All right, see you again. Bye-bye. Hey, it's me, Blippi, and today you and I are gonna draw a bee. Bzzz. Not just any bee, bee from Lellobee City Farm. Whoa, bees are very important for our environment and pollination. All right, to draw a bee, I'm gonna take blue and draw a circle for the head. Ooh, an arched line for the body. Ooh, and some more curved lines for the wings. There we go. And can't forget about the cute legs. Ooh, and 2 arms. There we go. Wow. All right, let's draw some circles for the eyes like that. Whoa, there we go. It's starting to look like bee, right? And then some suspenders. There we go. Yeah, for the overalls. Cool. And bee actually has stripes, just like a regular bee. There we go. And then let's draw a big smile, just like that. And you can't forget about the antennas. There we go. All right, if you love drawing with me and want to draw some more, all you have to do is search for my name. Will you spell my name with me? Ready? B-L-I-P-P-I, Blippi. All right, see you again. Bye-bye.
Come on, everyone, let's make learning fun. So much to learn about, it'll make you want to shout, Blippi!